it's Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this fun card with the Share Milkshake bundle. Here's my fun milkshake card using the Share Milkshake bundle, which is carrying over into the new catalog. I'm very excited because I love all these fun dies and fun sayings and different things that you can do with this bundle. This is pretty simple, but I just started off with some. So I'm going to start with a fresh freesia card base, and I'm going to change up the background to Old Olive and add a little bit of the Celebration Dandy Designs Designer Series paper. I designed these cards back during Celebration, but in my card kits I will be including the paper. So I'm going to ink the first part of this image in Old Olive. And then I'm going to ink the second part and stamp off, and then place it right on top of this image. And you get the fun three-dimensional look there. And I'm gonna stamp 3 of these cute little milkshake tops. Now I'm going to put the card together. I'm gonna put these all on dimensionals and these flat. And that is my Share a Milkshake card. Get this card kit for free when you purchase the Share a Milkshake bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.